Minnesota Department of Human Services Background Studies. NETStudy 2.0 Editing and Adding Affiliation Records. Welcome to this NETStudy 2.0 video-based training. This training video outlines how to edit a background study subject's existing affiliation record, as well as how to add an affiliation record for a study subject to other programs in your organization. For a written transcript of this video, select Show Transcript from the YouTube menu. For subtitles, select the Closed Captions or Settings button. As a reminder, due to ongoing enhancements to NETStudy 2.0, you may see slight variations between the images captured in this video and the version of NETStudy 2.0 you use. Now with the housekeeping out of the way, let's get started. For this video, and in the NETStudy 2.0 system, the term entity refers to the facility, program, agency, or other organization that initiates background study applications. To access your entity's rosters, select the Rosters tab in the toolbar. In the drop-down menu, select Roster. Use the filtering criteria at the top of the screen to search by name or background study ID number to locate the affiliation record that needs to be edited. When the record displays, select the Edit button in the Action column on the right side of the screen, and the Edit Affiliation box will appear. Here, you can make changes to the affiliation type, position, or position category fields by selecting new options in those drop-downs. For example, if a study subject was previously a volunteer at your entity and is now a permanent employee, you may change the selection in the affiliation type drop-down from volunteer to employee. Once you have recorded any changes, select the Save button in the lower left corner of the box. For information on how to remove a study subject from your roster, please review the training video titled NETStudy 2.0 Roster Management. If your user account is mapped to multiple providers within your entity, you may be able to affiliate the study subject to rosters for the other providers. This allows the study subject to provide services for those other providers without needing a new background study. To affiliate the study subject with the other providers, they must be under the same entity, and the entity must have a legally identifiable organizational structure showing the relationship between them. This relationship must be verifiable through records maintained by the Minnesota Secretary of State. Only study subjects with an eligible background study determination or whose applications are still in process can be affiliated with your entity's other rosters. Study subjects who have been disqualified cannot be added to other rosters under your entity. Additionally, the program type for which the affiliation record is being added must have the same or lesser background study requirements as the original background study. In many cases, background study requirements are the same, but, for example, background studies for childcare providers have additional requirements. Therefore, you will not be able to add an affiliation record from a provider with lesser background study requirements to a childcare provider. To affiliate a study subject to another roster under your entity, select the study subject's last name from the roster screen. This will take you to the Person Summary page. You may also search for the study subject using the person search function to locate the study subject's person summary page. Then, select the Applications tab. Under the Actions column on the right side of the screen, select the Add Affiliation link. If the Add Affiliation link does not appear, that study does not meet the criteria to have an affiliation record added. When the Add Affiliation box appears, select the provider to which the affiliation is being added. Only the providers that meet the criteria to have an affiliation record added will display in the drop-down. If a particular provider does not display, it means the affiliation requirements are not met, and a new study must be submitted in order to affiliate the study subject with that provider. In the Roster Affiliation Date field, enter the date the study subject will be affiliated with the new provider. You may also update the position category, position, and affiliation type as needed. In the Roster Affiliation Date field, record the date the study subject will be affiliated with the new provider. Then, select the Save button in the lower left corner of the box. This subject is now affiliated with the additional provider and will show on that provider's roster. Repeat these steps to affiliate the subject with other licenses or organizations. Thank you for your interest in this portion of NETStudy 2.0. To learn more about roster function, see the Roster Management training video. A link is in the description below. Additional information is available in the NETStudy 2.0 user manual. To access the manual, select the Help link in the upper right corner of NETStudy 2.0. Then select the NETStudy 2.0 user manual link to open it in a new tab.
Copyright 2023. State of Minnesota, Department of Human Services. Produced by Minnesota Department of Human Services. 444 Lafayette Road, St. Paul, Minnesota 55155. 651-431-2000. Toll free 800-657-3663. Toll free TTY 800-627-3529. Video phone 651-964-1514. Website https://mn.gov/DHS/. The Minnesota Department of Human Services, DHS, prohibits discrimination in its public services because of race, color, creed, religion, political beliefs, national origin, sex, public assistance status, marital status, age, sexual orientation, or disability. Direct discrimination complaints to the DHS Civil Rights Coordinator at dhs.info@state.mn.us or 651-431-2000. Individuals with disabilities may request reasonable modifications to receive DHS services by contacting its Americans with Disabilities Act coordinator at DHS_ADA@state.mn.us or 651-431-3040.